Welcome to our guide on how to use Google Trends to stay ahead of the competition. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying updated with the latest trends is crucial for any business or content creator. Want to dominate your niche? Whether you're a marketer, blogger, or entrepreneur, understanding what your audience is searching for can give you a significant edge. Google Trends is your secret weapon. This powerful tool allows you to see what people are searching for in real time, giving you insights into the latest trends and helping you make data-driven decisions. Spot trends in your industry. By analyzing search data, you can identify emerging trends in your industry before they become mainstream. This allows you to create content or products that meet the current demand. Use Google Trends to find hot topics in your niche and plan content around them. For instance, if you notice a sudden spike in searches for a particular topic, you can quickly create content to capture that interest. Simply type a keyword like best earning apps into Google Trends and voila, you'll get a wealth of information at your fingertips. You get a graph showing rising trends. This visual representation makes it easy to see how interest in a topic has changed over time. Know where your audience is. Google Trends also provides geographical data showing you where your audience is located. This can help you tailor your content or marketing strategies to specific regions, pinpoint trending keywords in specific regions, and tailor your strategy accordingly. Imagine being able to target your ads or content to areas where interest is peaking. Imagine a map highlighting regions with Google Trends geographical data. This can be particularly useful for local businesses or those looking to expand into new markets. It's like having a digital crystal ball. You can predict where the next big trend will emerge and position yourself to take advantage of it. Get ahead of the curve. By staying on top of rising queries, you can be the first to create content or products that meet the new demand. Explore rising queries to stay ahead of viral trends. This proactive approach ensures that you're always one step ahead of your competitors. Picture a graph showing a spike in interest for a new topic. This is your opportunity to capitalize on the trend before it becomes saturated. That's your cue to jump on it before everyone else does. And timing is crucial in the digital world, and being the first to act can make all the difference. Publish at the right time. Knowing when to publish your content is just as important as knowing what to publish. Identify when interest peaks and post content for maximum impact. Google Trends can help you determine the best times to reach your audience. Think of a calendar overlay with a clock animation and rising engagement metrics. This visual can guide you in scheduling your posts for optimal engagement. Timing truly is everything. By aligning your content schedule with peak interest times, you can maximize your reach and engagement. Turn insights into action. Data is only valuable if you use it. Google Trends provides you with actionable insights that you can implement immediately. Analyze related queries to discover subtopics and fill knowledge gaps. This can help you create comprehensive content that addresses all aspects of a topic. Imagine scrolling through related search queries and jotting down fresh content ideas. This process can spark creativity and lead to new content opportunities. The possibilities are endless. With Google Trends, you're not just reacting to trends, you're anticipating them and positioning yourself as a leader in your niche. Closing scene. Ready to leverage Google Trends? Start dominating your niche today. Take the first step towards becoming a trendsetter in your industry. Subscribe for more tips, fans. Stay updated with our latest content and never miss out on valuable insights. And don't forget to visit Google Trends now. Start exploring the trends that matter to you and take your strategy to the next level. End screen. Thank you for watching and happy trend hunting.